the tiny bee.
Seven fun days, one by one. Each brings joy, full of sun. Laugh and play, jump and run. A new adventure has begun. Monday's here, let's start the fun. So much to do till the day is done. Paint and sing under the sun. With Monday our week's begun. Tuesday waves with stories to tell of magic lands where dreamers dwell. Ride a cloud or a seashell. Tuesday's tales we love so well. Wednesday's midweek, time to explore. Books and puzzles, toys and more. Imagination store. With Wednesday, who could ask for more? Thursday's here with games to play. Building blocks and modeling clay. Invent a world in bright array. Thursday's here, hip hip hooray! Friday smiles, the weekend's near. Friends and laughter, cheer, cheer, cheer. Adventure's call is oh so clear. Friday's here, give a big cheer. Now Saturday and Sunday too. With family, there's so much to do. Picnics, parks and zoos. Weekend fun with happy hues.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.